In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to level up your life with self-growth, success, and productivity hacks. Whether you're looking to optimize your day-to-day tasks or seeking new ways to enhance your personal development, ChatGPT offers a powerful tool to help you reach your goals. Let's dive into how you can get started with this innovative application and make the most of its capabilities. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This might sound simple, but it's a necessary step as Google is the easiest starting point to access ChatGPT. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to type in ChatGPT into the search bar. This search will bring up a host of results, but you're looking for the official ChatGPT website. It should be among the top results, and clicking on it will take you directly to the ChatGPT platform. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you're ready to engage with this AI tool. Think of a prompt that you'd like ChatGPT to help with. This could be anything from generating ideas for a project, getting feedback on an ongoing task, or even brainstorming ways to improve your productivity. To ensure you get the most relevant and powerful responses, try to be as clear and specific as possible with your prompt. After crafting your prompt, you'll find a Submit button on the screen. Clicking this will send your request and you'll receive a response back in just a few moments. You'll notice just how versatile and responsive ChatGPT can be, offering suggestions and insights that might open up new perspectives or streamline your processes. Now, if you're new to using AI like ChatGPT, it's important to spend some time getting used to the way it communicates and provides information. Be patient and give yourself space to explore the potential the tool offers. As you interact more, you'll discover ways to refine your prompts, improving the responses you receive. Finally, consider how these responses and suggestions align with your personal growth and productivity goals. Integrating AI-backed insights into your daily routine can significantly impact your path to success. Take what you've learned from ChatGPT and start crafting a plan that leverages this tool's capabilities to support and enhance your journey. In summary, by using simple steps to access and engage with ChatGPT, you can harness the power of AI to boost your productivity and aid in your personal development. As you explore the various functionalities of ChatGPT, you will find it to be an invaluable resource in your growth journey. So go ahead and give it a try. See how ChatGPT can help transform your aspirations into achievements. Make the most of this technology and embark on the exciting journey of leveling up your life.